When S sounds like a French J. Part 2. Words ending in SION. Jeune or shun. English in color. SION. S. J. 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 AEIOU. Jeune. R. Jeune. A. Occasion. E. Adhesion. I. Vision. O. Explosion. U. Inclusion. R. Version. SION. S. Sh. 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 S. Shun. N. Shun. L. Shun. S. Session. N. Mansion. O. Convulsion. Let's read. A. E. I. O. U. Oi. Ow. She went on an excursion after the convulsions ended. She went on an excursion after the convulsions ended. They occasionally have a discussion about compassion. They occasionally have a discussion about compassion. His mission was to learn long division. His mission was to learn long division. The illusion of inclusion led to confusion. The illusion of inclusion led to confusion. All right.